Video.
Looks pretty good.
Oh, I'm just look for you. Ooh. Oh, that's
Look at the
really
camera.
nice.
Alright, so look at my latest new toy here. I picked up this DJI OSMO NANO a couple days ago. I got the one with 128 gigabytes of internal storage. They have one that has less internal storage, but this one's about $30 more and worth the extra internal storage. I was surprised when it came at how small this box is. I mean, look at this. The box itself is so tiny. And I've already opened it, so it's like, oh, not really a opening per se. Okay, that's the bottom. So I've already opened it. And this is how big the actual camera is. It takes up just a tiny portion of the box. Came in these wrappers, but I've already taken the wrappers off. It's on. You can see it's on because of the green light. You can look at the video on there. Just took the first video from it just a few minutes ago, so I'll post that afterwards. But look how tiny this thing is. Wow, I was surprised with actually how small it was compared to my hand. That's tiny. And I have not opened the little accessories that have come with it, so I'm excited to see this. There's must be a little suction cup stand, charging cable. Oh yeah, case. Smart guide. That might be coming in handy. And looks like a mounting bracket. And the necklace, the magnetic necklace, so you can wear it like a body cam. But actually, it has a pretty nice assortment of accessories that come along with it. I'm surprised. And you get this tiny little camera. Look at that. Amazing. So I'm going to take some videos with it and post it afterwards. But this is my brand new... Whoa! Look at that. I dropped it. Still works. Protective case. Snaps in just like that. And this is actually your hat visor. You can clamp that on your hat and put it right on top. Look at that. And here's a little suction cup. Boop. Put that on there. Snap that in. Wow.
What is that? Oh, is that connected in your thing?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, so really? So you can just access
Right,
your...
so I can control it from my phone.
Wow. So from there, you can just direct in your phone, so you don't have to transfer.
Well, you
To the
still have to,
computer?
I mean, it still stores it on here.
Yeah, but what I'm saying is you can just share automatically
I
to your
could.
phone.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, nice. How nice is the video?
Looks pretty good.
Oh, I'm just look for you. Ooh. Oh, that's
Look at the
really
camera.
nice.
Mm-hmm.
Wow. You're so expensive, honey. My goodness. Really nice.
It's actually a pretty cheap camera when it comes down to it.
No, but it's, yeah, I know it's too small, so.
I mean, I say
And then you can
cheap,
record that one there?
inexpensive. Yeah, because it has the...
Oh, it look like GoPro too.
Yeah,
And
it's
then
very
I
similar.
like the angle. It's look like GoPro. It's like wide angle. Oh, you just set that one in angle? Oh, no.
Well, it's just, yeah, it's mainly a wide angle
Oh, nice. Very
video to it.
nice.
It's one of the handy features that has a magnetic back on it. So I'm sticking it to my lamp right there.
Oh my
You see it? You like that?
Oh,
See the wide
wow.
angle?
Look at the angle.
Yeah, look at
And you
that.
can take a picture too.
Yeah, but I have to change settings to do that, I think.
Oh, you cannot set the setting there.
I can, but right now it's taking video. Thanksgiving dinner. Only missing the venison. That'll go right there.